On today, we talk of the possibility of 3D printing our Steam Deck and the next Steam Next Fest. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming video, and if you want to take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. The Steam Deck has recently arrived in the hands of various reviewers such as Linus Tech Tips and Gamer Nexus to test it and do some teardowns. Now Valve has made a welcome gift to all community, releasing the CAD files of external shell of its new portable console. The most interesting thing is that 3D CAD files are available under Creative Commons licenses. This will allow various players outside Valve to contribute to the improvement of console. So, this initiative will include a wide range of users, from accessory manufacturers, repairs, but above all to modders, who will now be able to make changes to their Steam Deck, but also more simply to future buyers who, before deciding whether to buy it or not, want to see it live, the new console from Valve, by printing it in 3D. The Steam Deck external shell package is downloadable from GitLab and includes the STP model, STL model and the reference drawings in a DWG format. We remind you, the console will be launched on February 25. Staying in Valve House Home, Steam has announced the new edition of the Steam Next Fest. The event will take place toward the end of this month, more precisely from February 21 to 28. Like the past October edition, the new Steam Next Fest will also let us try new titles coming soon, making available hundreds of demos. And you, what do you think? Let me know as always in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.